I'm around the Unity Conference Center. This one's beautiful place. Oh my God.
Trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you.
And I'm standing on one of the golf courses. And it's just so beautiful, right beside the water. They have a beach here. Liberia used to be beautiful country. My people. Let me turn anything around here so you can see what's happening here. And you know what's interesting? The Hotel Africa is right here. I will show you guys the remnants of it. And we have the villa. The villas are still there. Like, people are living in it right now. So I will turn the camera around so you see. So what happened to us in the country now? You won't tell me? We just allow history to just go by the wayside like that. We can't revive it. Look at this beautiful stretch of land. Look at this waterfront. Like, do you know you could put boats all along this waterfront? And you still making money out of it for a line here in West. Beautiful, beautiful spot. Beautiful spot. Imagine if you had some boats, canoes, and stuff all year. Speed boats and things on this water. I will walk nearer so you can see the remnants of Hotel Africa and the villas. Just imagine. See way in the distance there, because I don't think I will, reach on over there. Way in the distance. Let me zoom. Isn't this lovely? So many things one could be proud of. Those days, like we always say, those days. So many things one could be proud of. And the interesting thing is, the remnants are here. You can look around and see. There was a beautiful foundation laid. But are we sitting on the old mat to build a new mat? To plant a new mat? Or are we or we are just here to abandon everything, forget everything? Look at this. This is a waterfront. Just imagine what could happen to this kind of site. Just imagine. And thanks to the people who are taking care of it though. Yeah. Look at this. Okay, man.
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night, and we just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to